Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send voice message in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Click on the inbox option in the bottom section of your screen. Now open the chat where you want to send the voice message. Here, tap on the mic icon. Tap and hold on the mic to record the message that you want to send and release when you're done. So that is how you can send voice message in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.